Well, I can't believe it, but I guess I have to because I'm looking right at it. Bought another car. Yes, I have a problem with buying cars, so this is the latest. This is for the wife. 2006 Honda Civic EX. She works kind of far, and it's been taking that Jeep in for the past year and a half, and it's killing us on the gas. And you know, buying another whole car, it really isn't saving money because you're buying and maintaining another car, but you know, spreading the miles around I think is important. That's the main family car that we use with the kids and traveling far on trips and stuff, and it just didn't seem like the right idea to have that also be the commuter car. So we're trying to save on that a little bit, and then this will take up some of the miles and hopefully last a long time. And so far we've had about a couple of weeks. Seems pretty good. The only issue so far is that the driver's side headlight bulb is out. So I am going to look into that today. So the first problem I had to deal with was seemingly a simple one. The low beam driver's headlight is out, and then you know, I already pulled this little tank out. Luckily it just kind of slides right out. There's a little bracket there. This slides into it because this is in the way and you can't get your hand in there. I tried looking up you know, on YouTube how to change this bulb, and the first video I found had the car up on a lift taking the whole bottom apart. Like, I don't know, it's simple. You just pull this tank out, and then the little socket and you know, turn it counterclockwise, pops right out. So got a new bulb, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pop that in now. All right, so the new one's in. It took like 3 seconds. Plug the connector back in. I just gotta put this back in. All right, so that's in. I took these out because I thought I was gonna have to remove that trim piece, but that was not necessary. Let's pull this back. More. This one's broken. That wasn't too bad.
Is the camera off?
No, it's on.
Oh,
It's okay.
I didn't want to say anything.
No, it's all right. I was
put the headlight in it, right? That's what it needed?
Yeah, because you know, I came out here and like there's no way to get your hand in there.
Yeah, there's no way at all.
So then I go on YouTube, and the first video I found, the guy's like, oh, you just you cut the wheel to the right and you just get it from behind. But that guy, you know, there's a trim panel there.
You gotta take the trim panel off.
His car was missing it, so of course that was easy for him.
If you get a chance, V-Core.
Yeah.
Did you see it? He bought a Honda Civic.
I just saw it. The same car.
Yeah, had 400,000 miles.
But he was just parting it out.
That's all he's gonna do. But he must have another one because he's taking parts.
Yeah, I thought he was gonna fix it, but
yeah.
So then
that shows you. I guess they can go 400,000 miles.
Yeah, he said they never die. So that's why I wasn't worried about 160. So then, you know, I took this off. I thought maybe I could get in there. I couldn't. The next video I found, they had the car up on the lift and they were getting ready to take the whole bottom of the car apart.
Okay.
But then I found a third video, and this thing is just sliding into a bracket. You just pull it out, and then you can get your hand in there.
Oh, okay. How is the battery? Is it pretty good?
I don't know.
Yeah, I guess maybe that's something you just want just generally to just replace it.
I might be. I should. I was when I was
with the winter coming.
I was at the parts store the other day and I asked the guy and he said an AC Delco battery was going to be like 96.
That's not too
and
bad.
then the generic brand was going to be like 83.
Well, that's not bad.
I'm getting a lot of corrosion.
That's what I'm saying.
I took these terminals off because they were covered with,
The
you could
white
see
crap.
it here.
Yeah, oh yeah.
So what does that mean? Is there like a bad ground or something? Like, why does that do that?
No, it's
Was
just
it
some
an old
batteries
battery?
are prone to it, and I don't know. You just want to make sure. I think that would be the first thing I
Just
would do.
for insurance.
Change you want to go with the generic, but at least you're going to get through the winter with
Because
it.
I can't see it. There might be a date, but it's blocked by the
Yeah,
bracket.
right.
Because
And
what happens is the car is fine, everything's fine. When she was driving home from work one day, she was in bumper-to-bumper traffic, and the battery light comes on and off for a couple of seconds.
Yeah.
So
Well, I mean,
I put the meter on it. It is charging, and
yeah.
and when it's off, it was like 12.6 volts, which seems okay.
That's the normal. 12.6.
Yeah. If it was low around 12, I would
Yeah,
low
definitely.
12, I would say
But,
definitely.
Again,
but-
you might want to consider it. It's a cheap thing, really.
yeah.
That she's not going to call you one day.
The car's
car
not
won't
starting in
start.
Jamaica,
Now what are
right?
you gonna do?
Right.
You know, that's at least that you eliminate it, and it's not an expensive thing. It really isn't. You don't want to go with the AC Delco. I mean, who makes the generic?
I don't
It
know.
would be a major manufacturer.
Yeah. I mean,
It's like the ones I get from Napa, the Napa Legend.
Look,
It's made
it's
by,
pretty clean.
and they're a major battery company. They just stick their label on it.
I know. Doesn't really matter. I don't
Deca.
think there's anything special
it's-
about AC Delco.
No, not anymore.
Not anymore.
They're just sticking
It's
labels
someone
on
else is making
They're
it.
not
Yeah.
making it. Deca makes the Legend battery from Napa, and it's a good battery. I've got one in the GTO.
That's one thing, the car. He said the guy said the car always had this problem. There's no like detent in the door hinge. It just
Oh, yeah.
closes.
They don't, you on both sides?
I don't know. Definitely this side.
Yeah, so you got to be careful when you open it up. I think the body's in pretty good shape.
Yeah, look at the interior. It's pretty good too.
Yeah, and it's not
Just
ripped
needs a
or
little
anything.
cleaning. No
Yeah,
rips.
It's a good cleaning,
No
yeah.
burns or
Yeah.
any weird things.
Right. No, it looks pretty good.
Ride's good.
That's
Quiet.
Good. It's perfect
I didn't see
for
any
her.
rust.
And
Yeah.
this way you don't, it's going to be good on gas. That's a good thing. So you still kept the registration on the Jeep?
Yeah.
You didn't? Okay.
Yeah, we got new plates.
The tires are good?
Yeah. They have some
I think
life.
Probably they can't be that expensive. Well, how big are they?
Well, they're Michelin, so
No, I'm just saying
those are
the
good, right?
size. They're very. They're not.
they're
big.
small. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if there's a date on them.
Good luck with it.
Oh,
Once I saw that MV car, I said,
it looks like it's.
Anthony should be happy about that. 400,000.
It looks like the date is. It says 10/19, so 2019.
That old.
That's not too bad.
And maybe I don't know. You maybe might want to do the whiteness.
Yeah.
I would do that. You know. At
This
least
was like a third car for them, so he wasn't using it that
not
much.
yeah.
But the guy was
Where'd it come from?
Sayville,
Oh.
South Shore. He was the original owner. He gave me all the paperwork,
Oh, jeez.
the
Wow.
window sticker,
Yeah.
everything, the invoice,
So
all that.
he maintained it.
Yeah, it's a good little car.
That's what she needs.
Hopefully, it's reliable.
I'm gonna go in here.
All right, I'm coming in too. The other selling point for me, it may seem silly, but I liked that the guy had installed this aftermarket Boss stereo with the Bluetooth and the CarPlay, Android Auto, all that. So you can plug in your phone, and yeah, so far pretty good. Yeah, so far the wife likes it. It's very good on gas, and we'll see how it holds up. Hoping it'll last at least a couple, 3 years.